लो, मैं 5 मिनट वेट करूंगा. Who is this? Where are you? Are you in Zoom? Yeah, love, just relax. You're already in Zoom, right? Just hold on. You don't have to ask anything. Give me some time till everybody comes in. Okay? After that, you can ask everything. Just wait for 2 minutes. Don't worry. No issues. That's not an issue. Okay? It is written KAR, whereas you are KER. Am I right? No, don't. Okay. We consider that you are the same person. Okay? Don't worry. I'm just looking at, is there anybody else who is waiting on the other side? शाश्वत सक्सेना, शिप्रा जी आप आ रही हैं? शाश्वत बाजपेयी, मंजू शर्मा, लक्ष्मी देवी. If there's anybody else still waiting here, Khagendra. Because I have only 35. Okay, can I take just a roll call? Is Khushbu there? You can just unmute yourself and say hi. Khushbu Agarwal.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. In beginning, sir, your audio was not clear. So, sir, where has been the Zoom link sent?
Who is this? Shashwat. Just
Yes,
see
sir.
on the chat.
Okay.
Just check that. In the meantime, I'm going to take a roll call of all the people who have registered. Khushbu Agarwal, is she there? Khushbu Agarwal, if you're there, you can also use the chat if you want. There's a small chat. I'm joining as audience. Good morning is what somebody's saying. That's fine.
So, sir, can you please resend the link?
It is there already, Shashwat. It's just there on the thing. 1 second.
Sir, our chat has been deleted, I think. So, there is just 2 messages on the chat.
Okay, no problems. I am just sending it again. Okay, now you got it?
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Now, let me just quickly take the roll call once again just to understand. Khushbu Agarwal is there. She is still not there. Tuhin Mukherjee is there.
Yes, sir, I am present.
Very good. I'm just going to make a quick click. Okay. Harsh Daga. Harsh. Prabhani Kaur. Khagendra Singh. Khagendra Singh is there. Anish Gangopadhyay. Yeah, who's this? Khagendra is there, right? Got it. Okay. Anish Gangopadhyay. Yes, he's there. Then Anshuda Saraf. Anshuda? Yeah, wonderful. Shaunak Goswami. Shaunak, yes, is there. Excellent. Shrey Ketan. Ketan Shrey, yes. Pranav Kant Tripathi. Pranav, is Pranav there? I can't see him. Krishang Nigam. Very good. Aditya Sharma. Right. Yaliza Karki. Is she there? She is from Wisdom Academy. Let me see if she's there. Yaliza. No, she can't. I don't think look like that. Okay. Pranav Kant Tripathi is also here. Yes, thank you. Prabhani is there? Not there, right? Varun Gangwal. Varun is there, right? Then Vedant Agarwal is also there. Nilay Dakal. Right. Devansh Vora. Yes, Devansh is there. Lakshita Chabra. Yeah. Lakshita Chabra. Right, Lakshita. Shashwat Saxena. Is Mr. Shashwat? Yes, he's there. Right. I can see him. Arush Handa. Right, Handa. Yash Pratap Singh. Okay, we have Yash. Love Shankar has been there 4 times. Shashwat Dikshit. Right. Rama Devi. Yes, Rama is also there. Utkarsh Tiwari. Good morning, Utkarsh. Samarth Pratap Singh. Yes, he's also there. Mahapara Kabir. Mahapara Kabir, yeah. Anand Krishna Mishra. We have Anand Mishra also. Arav Anand. They have, very good. Supreet Kaur Panjeta. Very nice. And Amod Kulkarni. We have Amod Kulkarni also. Okay, I'm just going to ask, is Kushbu there again? Sharanya. Yeah, Sharanya. Because your name was not there. एक सेकंड मैं ले लेता हूं, एक सेकंड रुक जाओ. खुशबू अग्रवाल is not there. Is that clear? Harsh Daga is there? No. Prabhani Kaur? No. Then Yaliza Karki? No. Okay, now tell me one by one. One person, can you just unmute and come on screen and tell me who is not there? Aviral Mishra official. Okay, Aviral Mishra. Which school are you from, Aviral, and which class? Class 11. Which school? City International Lucknow, right? Okay, Aviral Mishra is there. Next, second. Sharanya Bhattacharya. Where are you from, Sharanya? Future Foundation, Kolkata. And what's your class? 11th, right? Okay, Bhattacharya. Yeah. Okay, Sharanya is there. Aviral is there. Harsh Daga said he is there too. And I have Pranav Kanta Tripathi. Anyway, I have put in. Very good. Okay, who else is there? Not there? Shashwat. Shashwat Bajpayee. I put Shashwat Saxena was there. Shashwat Bajpayee was not there. Okay, Shashwat Bajpayee. And you are which school, friend? Oh, your city, Rajendra Nagar. And we have one more person who said he is not there. Who is that? He's there but not there. What is your name, sir? Tanishk Kumar. Okay, and which school class are you, Shashwat, by the way? 11th. Shashwat Bajpayee, 12th. And Tanishk, which class are you? Which school and class? What school? Sorry? Edmund School. Okay, right. Edmund School, Jaipur. Okay, I got the entire thing. Anybody else missing, guys? I have, Tuhin Mukherjee is there, right? Tuhin?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Yeah, Tuhin there. So I am just calling out quickly names. If your name is there, you don't have to say it. If your name still doesn't come in, please do inform. Tuhin, Harsh, Khagendra, Anish, Anshuda, Shaunak, Shrey, Pranav, Krishang, Aditya, Varun, Vedant, Nilay, Devansh, Lakshita, Shashwat Saxena, Shashwat Bajpayee, Arush, Yash Pratap, Lav Shankar, Shashwat Dikshit, Rama Devi, Utkarsh Tiwari, Samarth Pratap, Mahapara Kabir, Anand Krishna Mishra, Arav Anand, Supreet Kaur, Amod Kulkarni, Aviral Mishra, Sharanya Bhattacharya, Tanishk Kumar. These are my names. Is there anybody I'm missing, guys? X. Who is this? Pratik Tiwari. Pratik, you are also participating, is it? Okay. And which class, which school? 10 Wisdom Academy, Nepal. You are in 10, is it? Are you supposed to even do this? This is for 11th and 12th, I thought. Just check with Tripathi ji, SC Tripathi ji, whether we can allow Pratik to participate. And who is one more person?
Allow him, sir.
Yeah, allow.
Allow.
Next, no problems. And the last person who has said not there. खगेंद्र तो 3 बार बोल चुका हूं बेटा. हाँ है, खगेंद्र का नाम तो है मेरे पास. No problems, no problems. I have. Anybody else? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 31 minus 2, 3. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay. We have 33 names, of which myself, then we have CMS Mahanagar, somebody. Dr. Tripathi is here, of course. And okay. Okay. Guys, I am going to give you on the chat I'm going to give you a link. I want you to go onto that link. All of you, this is a new platform called quizzes.com. Sorry. The platform is called quizzes.com. Again, I'm putting it up. On this quizzes.com, you will go and I will give you all on once you go, all of you, all 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 33 of you, 33 of you are there. Please go on to this platform and I will give you a join code. This, once I give you this join code for exactly 11.5 minutes, once I say start.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Who is this? Good morning.
sir, Syed Mohammed Mustafa, can I get the link for that Zoom meeting? Because, sir, I knew that I am in the Maths Olympiad, but just now, sir told me that you are in the Euro.
This boy is from City Montessori School, sir. Allow him. Mahanagar.
अच्छा ये इधर है. Syed, I have given you the link there. Just check the link
Sir, at which place?
on the chat.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got
Okay.
it.
I hope everybody else has come onto the chat and there's nobody else staying in the Google Meet. Okay. Tvesh Singh, Anshika Sharma. I hope you are.
Now, sir, log the meeting.
I'm just closing that Zoom thing. The Google Meet I'm getting out of. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.